Ressy. Welcome to my channel, Ressy TV. On this channel, I bring you all the healthy lifestyles that I want to share with you, which I think will be beneficial to you and your family. So please hang tight and I will be able to introduce you to All-Clad 10-piece sets that I bought for my household, which I think is good for you and your family. And if you're thinking about purchasing one, I will tell you all about All-Clad D5 brush stainless steel 10-piece set. So hang in tight, okay? I'll be right back. Yay! Okay, so if this is your first time on my channel, I want to thank you so much for choosing me to be somebody that you would like to watch all the videos that she is posting. I actually appreciate you. Welcome to my channel, and I promise you will not regret it, okay? If this is not your first time, thank you so much for all your support. Thank you. I appreciate every one of you. So please feel free, if you have not subscribed, to click that subscribe button, like and share. It does not cost you a thing, so please support me, like, share, and leave your comments below, and I will be ready to answer it for you. So let's get started. Alright, so I have been doing a lot of research trying to actually find a pot set that is good to use and cook for my family that will not introduce any toxic chemicals in my food when I'm cooking for myself or my children or my entire family. So I was able to come in hand to review the All-Clad, and I love a lot of things that I heard about All-Clad. Number one reason why I considered buying All-Clad is that a lot of people has positive things to say about it because it does not have any non-stick coating. I know a lot of us want pots that are coated, but you need to take some time and do some research about coated pots. Those coated pots are coated with chemicals and they are not healthy for you, because as you cook, it releases those chemicals in your food. And if you have growing children, I am absolutely 100% sure that you do not want to introduce your kids or your family to those harmful chemicals. I know the All-Clad is expensive, but you can also find other stainless steel pots that are not coated with non-stick that are also healthy for you. So today I will be reviewing the All-Clad brush D5 10-piece set that I bought for my family. I bought this from Costco. I think everything altogether came up to about 840 something all total, with the tax and shipping included, and I am absolutely happy. I am happy because I am starting to cook with something that I feel 100% sure that is not releasing any toxic chemicals to my family when I'm cooking. So that's number one thing right there for me. So the 10-piece actually comes, the biggest pot that it comes with is the 8 quarts, and this is pretty big enough to make a pot of soup or a pot of stew. Okay, quality is a little heavy, but I like it because I can use it to at least do some weight lifting. So it has the All-Clad written on top of it, and this, once you touch it, you can tell the difference of the quality in these pots, and this will last you for a long time, for decades. And it also has a lifetime warranty on it, so you can always call them if anything starts to go wrong with it or it starts to loosen up or anything like that. So I love this set, like it's so shiny. Woo! I am so happy, you don't understand. Okay, so I'm gonna put this away and review the other ones. So the other set that it came with is this one as well. This is the saute pan, and I believe this is like 3 parts, and this can saute some vegetables or some meat. And if you also look here, it has All-Clad written on top of it, so this is actually very good. Okay. All right, so I'm going to bring this down. The other set that it came with is this little piece here. So the other piece set that it has is this little small pot right here, and this is the 1.5 quarts, and you can use this to saute some vegetables too, or boil some egg or water, or make a little pot of soup as well. So I like this. Yay! Another set that it came with is this. This is the 3 quarts. So this is a little bigger than the smaller one. So these are so cute. Oh my god. Like once you touch it, you can that's one thing, you can tell quality. Like you can tell these are well made. So I love it. I actually love it. And it comes with 2 frying pans. This is the 8-inch frying pan, and this is the 10-inch frying pan. So this is bigger if you want to make something bigger, and this is smaller if you want to make something bigger. You see how shiny it is? Like, oh my god, I love this. I am so in love. So that's all about the sets, and I will actually review it again in 6 months to show you guys how I'm liking it. But one thing I read about it is that when you're about to use it, you want to make sure that the pan is already heated. So they said to place it on the stove, wait for it to heat up, put a little drop of water in it and see if it will dance around. And if it does, then that means it's ready and it will not stick when you're cooking with it. I mean, it's like as time grows, we start to find out that a lot of things that we use are really toxic for our health. And I know that it's very hard for us to stay 100% toxic free, but as a mother, and and as someone that cares about my health, I actually have to look into these things just to make sure that I'm doing my best for my family and myself. So I actually felt so disgusted when I read everything about how pots are made and the kind of chemicals that can be put in it, like leaves, BPA and all that stuff. And oh my god, it is actually scary. It's very scary. So I went ahead and got me this set of pots, and I also bought me a cast iron, but once I receive it, I'm going to review that one as well. And as I start to use them to cook, I will also keep reviewing them. The only thing about So cast iron is very good for you as well, but the only thing about cast iron that people don't like, especially if you're someone like me that don't like to spend too much time on things, is that cast iron, you have to season it after you use it. So if you're not someone that likes to spend time and keep seasoning your pots, you don't want to buy it. But I went ahead and bought me at least one that I know that I can be able to season. And cast iron only releases iron. So if you're someone that maybe has a child or yourself, you're lacking some iron, that's a good way to kind of get iron in your diet, by using cast iron. So I went ahead and just bought me one. So that's the only two things that I found is actually good for you to use when you're cooking. Or you can also use glass pots, especially the ones that are made by Vision. I also bought some sets of Vision glass pots, and as I start to use those as well, I'm also going to review it with you. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and watching my video. I absolutely really appreciate you guys. Please stay safe, remain blessed, and I will see you on my next video. I love you guys so much. Mwah! Please feel free to share, subscribe, like, comment, and let me know what you think. Bye bye.